Hey, voila, guys! Remember those? Remember the cabbage, the carrot, the lentil beans that I said had came out too soft, wasn't cooked properly, but still tasted good, but it was a bit too soft. Guess what? I made meat patties out of them. Well, here, this is some of the. I just didn't make it a patty. I just scrambled it all together and sauteed it with mushrooms. So I'm gonna use that later and make. I'm gonna use that later to make more of a like a quesadilla or tortilla, where we're going to take that again, that's just all vegetable base, and we're going to chop up some onion, tomatoes, and again make it either taco or quesadilla. Now talking about taco or quesadilla, again, if you can make your tomato sauce fresh instead of buying it in a can, make your tomato paste freshly blended tomatoes, far better for you than putting stuff in a pan and in there. Secondly, look at those guys. Look at those little patties. Look how nice they came out. These I decided to kind of make burn more. I want them to be a little crispy. So the last batch, so out of all that, rather than throwing all that away and wasting it, again, it was all good, all fresh, still smelled good, still tasted good, but I needed it to be firm. So I made little patties out of them. And yeah, these make great burgers, or you can cook with rice. You can make potato salad and get or make a hamburger. Makes a great hamburger. All vegetable based. Now again, these here I cooked a lot more. These here I didn't cook as much. These are a lot more softer. So they'll crumble easier. So again, when you're trying to make a hamburger, all vegetable based, guys, so much healthier than all the meat for you. So there you go. I'm gonna separate them into 3 components. Because again, I might want to eat all this week, right? I might want some totally different. And again, you can make burgers out of them, tacos, quesadillas, just adding your vegetables, yeah? But I'm gonna separate them in 3 containers, put in the freezer, and I'll use some this week, just put it in the fridge. So they just go in the fridge. The rest of them in the 2 other containers will probably go in the freezer, sorry. That can last me the week after, because you don't want to be eating so much of one thing 1 week, right? It becomes monotonous. So just thought I'd show you how these come out, guys. So we're all about improving health, eating less packaged stuff, saving money, and using our health and strength to do good for humanity and to serve our creator. Take care, guys. Bye.